Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to download and install the Mini Militia mod menu, completely free, and it works perfectly on both iOS and Android devices. If you've been searching for Mini Militia hacks, unlimited coins, unlimited cash, or God mode, this is the video you've been waiting for. With this mod menu, you'll unlock all the best cheats and features in Mini Militia. That includes God mode for unbeatable gameplay, unlimited coins and cash to upgrade instantly, unlimited ammo so you never run out, one-shot kill for maximum power, and so much more. All available for iOS and Android. First, make sure your Mini Militia game is updated to the latest version. Just head over to the App Store or Google Play Store, check for updates, and install if needed. If your game is already up to date, you're ready to move on. Just scroll down to the pinned comment below this video. I've included the direct link and full instructions there so you can safely download Mini Militia Double Plus Plus and unlock the mod menu. Make sure you follow the steps exactly as I explain in the pinned comment. That way you'll get access to all the hacks without any issues. Once you've installed it, open the game and you'll immediately see the new options like God Mode, Unlimited Coins, Unlimited Cash, Unlimited Ammo, and One-Shot Kill right on your screen. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.